Welcome to the Hyatt Regency Sofia, where modern elegance meets historic charm. From the moment you step foot in the lobby, the elegant decor and attention to detail will leave you speechless and have you feeling like royalty. Situated in a prime location steps away from Sofia's top attractions, the National Palace of Culture and Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, this charming hotel boasts 183 rooms and suites. And when it comes to amenities, this hotel packs a punch, including a luxury spa, complete rejuvenating treatments, including massages. A 24-hour fitness center that is well equipped and maintained. And a relaxing indoor pool. Now, if you're like me, you're looking for the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day of exploring the city, and that's exactly what we did at the Hyatt Regency Club Lounge. The lounge offers a variety of cocktails and snacks during their cocktail hour, which takes place daily from 5 to 7 p.m., which saved us a lot of money and helped stretch our budget. Welcome to our crib for the next 7 nights. This spacious suite has all the modern amenities one could ask for and will set you back $367 per night or $2,799. Now let that sink in. No thanks. We're good. We redeemed 35,000 World of Hyatt points and a Sweet Night Award and used it to score this elegant suite instead. Our room featured floor-to-ceiling windows and offered breathtaking city views, which we enjoyed every morning as we woke up to the sunrise. The hotel offers a range of dining options, including the revolutionary dining room and bar, which serves international and Bulgarian cuisines using locally sourced ingredients. The food was delicious and the service was top-notch. We also had dinner at Mama Sofia our last night at the hotel, and the food was amazing. The Hyatt Regency Sofia easily exceeded our expectations. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found this review helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.